Now here's some price index problems here. So let's work this out to close this particular lecture. So if the CPI market basket increases from 100 in year 1 to 105 in year 2, what is the CPI in year 2? What is the consumer price index here? So let's take a look here. So if the CPI, if the index is going to be, if the base year in year 1, so year 1 is the base, okay, it's going to be 100. Okay, so the inflation rate here is 105 minus 100 over 100. So there's an inflation rate of 5% basically. So in year 2, which is year 1 is 100 because that's the base index here. Then in year 2, the market basket is going to be 105. So that's the correct answer here. Okay, if the CPI increases from 120 in 2014 to 160, what is the inflation rate here? Well, again, you take this index in year 2 is 160 minus what was in year 1, 120, all over 120 here, and then you get 40 over 120 equals 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3 times 100, and you get an inflation rate that's pretty high, 33%. So that's pretty high for an inflation number here. And then real GDP deflator here, finally here. So GDP deflator, the formula here equals the nominal over the real. Actually, hold on a second. Yeah, the real over the nominal. GDP deflator equals the nominal over the real times 100. So if the GDP deflator is 150 and the real GDP is 1 million, then what is the nominal GDP? Let's say the value is X here times 100. Well, you multiply this out here, and X, the nominal GDP, equals 1.5 million as a result. So again, it's very simple math problems. Just be able to understand, what the equations are, how do you find the inflation rate, and what's the formula for the GDP deflator. You have the nominal over real times 100.